In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HeyGen Editing Studio. By the end, you'll feel comfortable moving from the home page into the studio, bringing in your audio, shaping a script, leveraging smart tools, organizing your media, and pulling everything together into a clean, polished edit. Start on the HeyGen homepage. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose Avatar. This area gives you quick access to avatars and related options you'll use throughout your project. It's a great starting point because it frames everything around the character that will deliver your message. From there, head into AI Studio. Think of AI Studio as your main workspace. You'll see a preview window to monitor changes in real time, a timeline for arranging clips and audio, and panels around the edges for settings, assets, and controls. This is where all the creative pieces come together. Next, upload your voice track by selecting Upload Audio. Use a clear final recording if you have one. Common formats like WAV and MP3 work well. Keep file names descriptive and give the system a moment to process the file. Once it appears on the timeline, scrub through to ensure it starts where you expect and check that the waveform aligns with your intended pacing. If you need help drafting or refining what's being said on screen, open ScriptWriter. This space is perfect for shaping concise, conversational lines that match your voice track. Keep sentences short, break up longer thoughts, and add intentional pauses to control the rhythm. Clear structure here makes lip sync and pacing feel more natural later. On the right side, open AI tools to accelerate polish. These tools can assist with script refinement, visual suggestions, or generating captions and translations. Use them to speed up your workflow, then review results to keep the message consistent with your brand and tone. Now open Media. This is your asset library. Import images, logos, and supporting B-roll you plan to feature. Organize items so you can quickly drag them onto the canvas or timeline. Replace a background, add an overlay, or position elements behind your avatar to reinforce key points. With everything loaded, you can edit the video, adjust timing by trimming clip edges, nudge items along the timeline to sync with beats and pauses, and reposition or scale elements on the canvas for balance. Choose fonts and colors that match your style, adjust audio levels so narration is crisp, and generate captions from your script for accessibility. Use the preview to spot pacing issues, then make small, precise tweaks until visuals and audio feel locked. And that's the flow. Avatar, AI Studio, Upload Audio, ScriptWriter, AI tools, media, and thoughtful editing to finish strong.